That was best chicken dropped off. That was £5.10 from Just Eat. Let's go back to the car. It's drizzling rain. It's got chilly now. 6 degrees. A wintry chill. I don't know if this is foggy. Yeah, it's a bit misty out. Okay, let's go. Well, it's proper rainy now and it's very cold. Temperature's dropped to 3. Let's get back to, I don't know, I haven't decided yet. Let's go. Dropped that one off from KFC. I just did 2, so that was $7.50, which was okay. So I think I'll head back. I mean, I don't know whether to go that way or that way. Do I go to KFC or do I go up to the dessert shop? I don't know. KFC, let's go. Turn around here, go back that way. It's a lovely evening again. Can't see nothing out these steamed up windows. Just hate driving in this kind of weather.